Good morning students. Today's class we are going to start with our exercise 4.1. You can take page number 81 in your NCERT textbook. Few problems we are going to write in the textbook and few in our fair note. Okay children? I hope you all taken exercise 4.1 children. First problem, okay? Complete the last column of the table, which means this is your last column. I didn't draw the column, but I have written the question like this is equation, this is a value, and here say whether the equation is satisfied, yes or no. Okay, we are just going to write only yes or no, but the calculations you can write in the side where and all you have gap, you can write the calculations. Okay, in this few problems I am going to give you as a homework where you are going to write these answers in your textbook, not in the fair note. Okay, this is what your equation. What is the first equation? X plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, value is what? X. So x value is what? 3. So we are going to substitute this x value in this equation and we are checking whether LHS and RHS are equal. So what is the LHS here? X plus 3. What is the RHS? 0. So this side and this side both should be 0 now. If it is not 0, then it is not satisfied. You can write here no. Okay, see first I'll just here write, okay. X value is what? 3. 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3, this equal to 0. Okay, 3 plus 3 is what? 9. Whether 9 is equal to 0? No, 9 is not equal to 0. Okay, so this statement is not satisfied. So you can put no. Okay, listen children. I have substituted the value of x here. 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3. Sorry, 9 not 6. Sorry children. 3 plus 3 6, which is not equal to this RHS. So this is not satisfied. Okay, next second subdivision, x plus 3 is equal to 0. We are going to substitute x is equal to 0 in this equation. X is 0 means 0 plus 3. This equal to this 0. 0 plus 3, 3, which is not equal to this 0. Okay, 0 plus 3 is not equal to 0. So this is not satisfied. Next, x minus 7 equal to 1. What is x value now? 7. 7 minus 7 equal to 1. 7 minus 7 is 0, which is not equal to this RHS. Upper, this is also not satisfied. So, no. Now, x is equal to 0. 5x plus 25. 5x plus what? 25. 5x now 5 into x. About 5 into 0, 0, which is not equal to 25. But it is not satisfied. Okay. 5 into 0, 0, which is not equal to 25. Next. 5 into x, 5x upper. 5 into 5. 5 into 5 is what? 25, which is equal to this 25. See, 5 5s are 25. This is also 25. So, it is equal. So, yes, it is satisfied. You can put yes children. See, few problems in between I have left. That is your homework. Okay. Next, 9th problem. M by 3 equal to 2. M by 3. M is what? Minus 6 by 3. Correct? M is what? Minus 6. Minus 6 by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So what is the answer? Minus 2, which is not equal to this 2. Answer is what? Minus 2 children. Not 2. So minus 2 is not equal to 2. So this is not satisfied. Here minus 2 it is given, here 2 it is given. Don't get confused in that. Minus 2 is not equal to 2, so it is not satisfied. Okay. Next, m by 3. M value is what? 0. So 0 by 3 is what, children? 0. 0 by 3 is 0, which is not equal to 2. But it is not satisfied. So did you understand? We are just substituting this value to this equation, and it is not satisfied means no. If it is satisfied means we will put yes. Understood? Second problem, you can write it in your fair notes, okay? Second problem, check whether the value given in the bracket is the solution to the given equation. Now, like last problem itself, we are going to check this value to this equation, whether this is the solution of this equation or not. The same way we have already dealt with this type of problems. We are just taking this value and substituting here and checking whether our LHS and RHS are equal. If it is equal, then this value is the solution of that equation. Okay. Now, let us take LHS. What is the LHS of this question? N plus 5. What is n value? 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. What is the RHS? 19. Whether LHS and RHS are equal? No. LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, n is equal to 1 is not the solution. Okay. If both are equal, we can say n is equal to 1 is a solution. See here 6 is coming, here 19 is coming. So n is equal to 1 is not a solution of this equation. Understood? Next is your B question. Okay. I am just writing here. First what I am taking? LHS. What is the LHS value here? 7n plus 5. Okay, you should put equal to and write, children. LHS is equal to 7n plus 5. What is the n value? Minus 2 plus 5. Okay, 7 into minus 2. 7n means 7 into n. Upper 7 into minus 2 plus 5. 7 2s are 14. 7 into minus 2 minus 14. Okay, minus 14 plus 5. 7 2s are 14. Plus into minus, minus 14 plus 5. Minus 14 plus 5 means same different sign. So subtracted. 14 minus 5 is what? 9 minus 9. Okay, minus 9 you will write it. RHS 19. So whether LHS and RHS are equal? No. LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, n is equal to minus 2 is not the solution of that equation. Okay, it's not the solution. Okay, children. See, minus 14. Minus 14 plus 5 is minus 9. Here 19. Both are not equal. So, n is equal to minus 2 is not the solution. Next, 7n plus 5 equal to 19. Where n is equal to 2. We are substituting LHS in the LHS. What is LHS? 7n plus 5. What is LHS value, children? 7n plus 5. 7 into 2 plus 5. 7 into 2 plus 5. 7 2s are 14 plus 5. 7 2s are 14 plus 5. 14 plus 5 is 19. So what is the LHS value? 19. RHS is already 19. So LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, both are equal. Therefore, n is equal to 2 is the solution. N is equal to 2 is the solution. So actually we have to check whether this is a solution of this equation. Understood? This is your deep problem. So what is the LHS, children? 4p minus 3. 4p minus 3. What is the p value? 1. 4 into 1 minus 3. 4p minus 3 na 4 into 1 minus 3. 4 ones are 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. What is the LHS value? 1. RHS value 13. LHS is not equal to RHS. LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, P is equal to 1 is not the solution. Is not the solution. Understood how to write the answers? Okay. Now, LHS 4P minus 3. 4P minus 3. What is the P value? Minus 4. Minus 3. What is the P value? Minus 4. 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. Plus into minus. Minus 16. Minus 16 minus 3. Okay. Minus 16 minus 3 children. 4 4s are 16. Plus into minus. Minus 16. This minus 3. Same sign. So added. 16 plus 3. 19 minus 19. What is the RHS? 13. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, P is equal to minus 4 is not the solution. Okay, understood? Just we are substituting the value of this in this LHS and RHS and finding that both the answers are different. So, we are saying this is not the solution for that equation. Okay. Next is your third problem. Okay. Solve the following equation by trial and error method. Okay. We are going to try it and we are going to find it. Okay. One options we are going to try it. Then we are going to find the answer for this question. Okay, we are going to find the solution. Solution na apt value for the P. Okay, that is your solution. First equation is what? 5P plus 2 is equal to 17. This is your equation. So, first what you will do the trial? When P is equal to 1. When P is equal to 1, what will be the value? LHS. What will be the LHS? 5P plus 2. So, 5 into 1 plus 2. Correct? 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 2, 7. RHS is what? 17. So, this is not possible. LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, P is equal to 1 is not the solution. Just trying, okay. Once when we are trying P is equal to 1, we are not getting the solution. Next, when P equal to 2, what is LHS now? 5P plus 2, 5 into 2 plus 2. Is it? 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2, 12. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2, 12. What is your RHS? 17. So, both LHS and RHS are not equal. Therefore, P is equal to 2 is not the solution. P is equal to 2 is not the solution. Next, then P is equal to 3 because last time P is equal to 1 I have taken, then P is equal to 2 I have taken. So, what is our LHS? 5P plus 2. Is it? 5P plus 2. 5 into 3 plus 2. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2, 17. What is our RHS? RHS is also 17. So, LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, P is equal to 3 is the solution. So, did you understand how to do this trial and error method? 1, first P is equal to 1, you can try, then 2, then 3. At 3, we got LHS and RHS as equal. So, this is what your solution. This is your trial and error method. Okay, children? The second problem, second subdivision of that question. What is the equation given? 3m minus 14 equal to 4. 3m minus 14 equal to 4. So, we can do the trial and error method, right? So, what is the first value? When m is equal to 1, because here the variable is m. When m is equal to 1, LHS is what? 3m minus 14. 3 into 1 minus 14. 3 ones are 3 minus 14. 3 minus 14 is what? Minus 11. Okay, 3 minus 14 is minus 11. RHS is what value? 4. RHS is 4. So here LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, M is equal to 1 is not the solution. We have to proceed this until we get a correct answer. Okay, until we are getting correct answer, we should do this. Next, when M is equal to 2. When M is equal to 2, what is your LHS? LHS 3M minus 14. 3 into 2 minus 14. 3 2s are 6 minus 14. 6 minus 14 is what, children? 6 minus 14 minus 8. Okay, 6 minus 14 is minus 8. RHS is equal to 4. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, M is equal to 2 is not the solution. See, listen, these steps are very important. If any of the steps is not there, then we cannot give you marks. Okay, LHS and RHS you should write, and you should say that LHS is not equal to RHS, then it is not a solution. Like that you should say. Okay, next, M is equal to 3. When M is equal to 3, what is your LHS? 3M minus 14. 3 into 3 minus 14. 3 3s are 9 minus 14. So answer is minus 5. RHS is 4. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, M is equal to 3 is not the solution. Did you understand? Not the solution. Why I am writing not the solution? Because LHS is not equal to RHS. When M is equal to 4. When M is equal to 4, LHS is what? 3M minus 14. 3 into 4 minus 14. 4 3s are 12 minus 14. 12 minus 14 is minus 2. RHS is 4. LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, M is equal to 4 is not the solution. M is equal to 4 is not the solution. When M is equal to 5. Because it is not solution, we are going to the next thing. LHS is 3M minus 14. 3 into 5 minus 14. 5 3s are 15 minus 14. 15 minus 14 is 1. RHS is 4. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, M is equal to 5 is not the solution. See, till 5 we didn't get the solution. So until we are getting the correct answer, we should proceed it. When M is equal to 6, LHS is 3M minus 14. 3 into 6 minus 14. 6 3s are 18 minus 14. 18 minus 14 is 4. RHS is 4. So LHS and RHS become same. So LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, M is equal to 6 is the solution. Did you understand? Till this we didn't get, after this we got. So this is what your solution for the given equation. So until we are getting the correct answer, we should proceed it. Understood, children? Today's class we have discussed exercise for 4.1 and I have given few problems of 4.1 as homework. I hope you all understood, children. Thank you.